Question number 33. What is the variation with nucleon number of the density of nuclei? Variation with nucleon number with density of nuclei. Nuclear density is always a constant. It's always a constant. So as a result of it, you would have proved this in your classrooms also, given by density is equal to mass by volume, and then you would have proved this mass is nothing but Z times mp plus n times mn, or maybe you would have said something like a times m, and this divided by volume would have been something like 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and r we know it is nothing but r naught a power pi 3, so which would have written this as 4 by 3 pi r naught cube into a, right? Because r is equal to r naught a power 1 by 3. We have substituted this value here, and you have got this one here. A and a goes off, as you see here. M 4 by 3 pi r0, all these are seen to be a constant, and thus nuclear density does not vary with the number of nucleons present in a nucleus. It is always said to be a constant. So based on this, the correct answer is option C. Let's move this one forward. This one, as you see, the number of nucleon number keeps on increasing. The nuclear density is not variant. It is seen to be a constant. Thus, C is the right answer.